How to earn $125 with your phone. Welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge to help you. So I would love for you to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. So every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So I'm shooting this video from my laptop, and of course, you can use your phone to earn money. But for a better example, I want to just use my laptop so I can use it better. But if you got an Android, if you got an iPhone, this is going to be the video you need to watch. So if you do have an Android, drop Android in the comments area. If you got an iPhone, put down iPhone. So team Android, team iPhone, we're going to see which of the two is going to be the top amongst the both of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $125 using your smartphone. So once again, iPhone or Android. Let's dive into it. So this is my YouTube channel. If this video does not match what you're looking for, it's okay. It's totally cool. Just come through here, and there's tons of other videos that you can go through. So watch these videos, like them, share, comments, and any questions you may have, drop them in the comments, and I'll try my best to reply to you as fast as I can. So team Android, team iPhone, are you ready? Make up to $125. We are already doing this. Everybody has a phone, and we all take pictures. So the app that I'm going to share with you is called IM. So im.com. If you got an Apple or you got an Android, this is going to be for you. The good thing about this, you can use it anywhere, right? You can use it worldwide. That's what I love about this. You also get paid using PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal, I apologize. Just try to get one set up. If PayPal doesn't work in your country, try to use the ExpressVPN and see if that will work for you. But this right here can put some good money in your pocket. It won't make you super rich. However, you can make money with this. So this specific website, you can scroll through here. Again, it's called IM. So team Android, team iPhone. So you upload and you sell your photos. You're already taking pictures, but do keep in mind, you don't want to take nude pictures. You don't want to take pictures that are a little bit risque. You don't want to take pictures that companies are not looking for. So who this IM company sells to? For example, we got Spotify, Airbnb, Getty Images. These are like huge companies in the world, which majority of people already know, and they're looking for photos. So if you got photos you want to upload and you want to sell, here you can come. You can click on where it says start selling. Once you click where it says start selling, it's going to take you to the registration area. So you can sign up as a photographer. Now you don't have to be like a professional photographer. You could take pictures of like butterflies, maybe it's food. Everybody have a smartphone these days. And you can enhance your photos if you want, make them nice. And I was checking out some of the reviews, and I'm going to show you. So if you got like, here's the Apple reviews, 4.8 reviews. It's a free app. You download it, put it on your phone, and you come through here. You sell your photos, find your best shots, because you're already taking pictures already. And learn from 20 million photographers. Become a better photographer as well. So as you go along and you start taking pictures, you can look and see exactly what people already taken. And you could always, and that's how I learned, that's how I see majority of people. You want to follow someone who's doing really good. So you want to go on your app, you want to see exactly who's crushing the game, who's killing it. And as soon as you upload it, you could, right here, selfies, nice pictures, maybe surfing, it could be food related, could be animals, because this company is looking for any photos. But again, not risque, not like, freaky deaky stuff. You want to make sure that you have something of compliance. So they have good reviews on Apple, 4.8 reviews. Of course, you're going to have bad reviews. You're going to have good reviews. It's just like anything, right? 4.8. Look at this, 4.8 out of 5 best parts of Instagram. So people are actually using this to kind of share amongst with Instagram as well. Find time sharing photos, make an app family fun. So if you got families, take picture of them. And if you head on over to the Google Play has a rating of 4.3. So it goes anywhere between 4.3 and 4.8. It's just like anything else. You're going to have bad comments in anything you have, right? But majority of the time, it's good. So if there's a lot more good, it's okay to have a one or two bad comment, like this one right here. Fix your app trying to upload some big size photos because, you know, they have like an S10 phone, keeps going through percentage and doesn't get added. Now this person, this was like March 16. I have a problem. I had has been resolved. I don't even know what you're saying. Thank you for responding to my review. Maybe I can't read. It's okay. Keep up the good work. So sorry to hear that. And they reply right away. High quality performance, thanks. So there's people that are giving good reviews. Lots of 5 stars, 4 stars. There's a lot of 5 stars, a lot of 4 stars, 3 stars. There's some 2s and there's some 1s. It's okay. That's totally fine. So if you jump over to their website, again, this is their website. So I went over to the, you know, the FAQ, because frequently asked questions, subscription. When you sell your photos through IM Market, you always receive a 50% of the revenue. So here's how it works. The amount of photos sold depends on the license purchase. So if you have a social license, you'll get, if you upload it for 20, if they sell it for 20, you're going to get 10. If you get web license, if they sell it for 50, you get 25. Now, full commercial license, you get $125. Why not go for the big one? If you want to go for the social, not a problem. You can make a nice $100. If you're going for like full commercial, then definitely you want to go for the $250. And what full commercial, I think they are asking, if you upload a photo, you want to give them the rights, you want to hand it over to them so they can use it on big companies here and there. And then later on, you're not like going to sue them because you see it on like some huge company. You'd be like, oh, I only get like $125 for it. Well, if you don't want to settle for $125, 25 or even 10, then you're going to have to work something out with them. And I'm not quite sure they're going to want to work something out because they have a lot of people. So if you can make money consistently here, if you can make $125 every day or every week or every month, I don't know how much photos you want to upload. That's some good money right there. It's not a lot of money, but it can fill a gap. Maybe buy some groceries, go pay to wash my car today, or go put some gas, pay rent. I don't know if that can't pay rent. Can that pay rent? No, we can't pay rent. But you see where I'm going. You could use that money. So if you're looking for like a way how you can make more money through affiliate marketing, where you can refer someone to a product, let's say a weight loss product. So someone want to lose weight, and you know a weight loss company that has an affiliate program, you could sign up for them, and you could go sell that weight loss product and you receive a commission just like this. So it's the same concept, but most people don't know how to do it the right way, and they don't have the education. So if you're looking for some education, check out the link down below, sign up for it. It's a free 15-day trial. If you want to buy stuff in it, sure, go for it. If you don't want to buy anything, it's okay. At least you learn some things. All right, so this is how you can earn $125 with your phone, mobile app. I just wanted to share this on my computer because if I had like 2 phones, it's going to be very difficult. So I just want to share it with you. So go again. You could just sign up for this, create an account right away, upload and sell, make some money, start banking. You're already taking pictures already. And I'm sure if you go through your phone, you probably can use a couple of the pictures that you already took and upload them. So they don't care what kind of photos, as long as it's like, you know what I mean? You want to make sure you keep it. It's not a rated R company. You just make sure you do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. See you in the next one. And bye for now. Peace.